In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with HubSpot, these instructions will guide you through the process of enhancing your website's navigation through anchor links. Begin by opening HubSpot and, as always, make sure you're logged into your account. This step might seem obvious, but it's crucial to ensure you have the right level of access to make any edits necessary for your website's pages. Once you're all set up, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the trial guide. This guide is a treasure trove of resources designed to help kickstart your form building process and provide any additional help you may need. Alright, now with HubSpot open on your homepage, look towards the top of your screen and click on Content. This will bring you to a menu where you want to select Website Pages. Getting to this section is important because it's where all your website's editing magic happens. Once you've clicked on Website Pages, take a moment to scroll down. You'll find a list of all the pages on your site. Go ahead and click on Home, or whichever page you intend to add your anchor link to. This gets you into the page where you can start adding different elements and making the necessary changes. Now, turning your attention to the left side of the editor, you'll see an option to Add. Click on this and you will find various elements you can incorporate into your page. Here, you want to select Anchor. Simply drag and drop this anchor element onto your page at the specific spot where you want the new anchor link to appear. Doing so carefully ensures that your site visitors will have an easy and pleasant navigation experience. It's essential to pay attention to detail when placing your anchor links. Make sure to label each one distinctly and clearly. This will not only help your visitors understand the flow of your site more intuitively, but also aids your team in recognizing what each anchor is meant for in future maintenance or management scenarios. Ensuring each anchor link is labeled and positioned appropriately contributes to an organized and user-friendly site. Following these instructions will provide you with a more navigable and efficient website, enhancing overall user experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps you successfully manage your anchor links in HubSpot. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to make your online platforms even more effective.